What's going on, guys? What you see before you right now is the Audiophile 6 CD changer from the Ford Escape. We use this in the Crown Victorias and the Mercury Marauders, especially 0304, to get a better sound quality in the system. I ordered this unit online, and unfortunately it got damaged in shipping, and that's not the seller's fault whatsoever. The seller was great. So what you see pictured here are the pins for the contact for the faceplate. Now every one of these pins, except for about 2 or 3, were broken, and they were broken in half at their solder joint contact. And I basically had to take the magnifying glass and the cell phone and zoom in very close to actually be able to solder each of these points. And it was very difficult. They're very minute, and I didn't exactly have the equipment on me for this type of connector or contact in between this work. But I was able to successfully get each contact point soldered, and as you can see, I was able to get the radio working, and it does great. So after that little while time, going ahead and reassemble the head unit a little bit, what I did this time is I put the screen on first just to make sure that the internal connector lined up before I inserted the disc tray. Do not touch any of the internals of your disc tray. Make sure you keep the integrity of those looking good. Now there'll be some screws around here on the chassis that we'll have to reinsert, of course, to connect to the heatsink and retain the actual, chassis of the disk drive, the 6 CD changer in there. So that's what we'll be doing here. I'm going to get those in, and we're going to go ahead and get her secured.